Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter 8. Now, today discuss about topics principle of method of mixers with problems. Let's start the class. Explain about activity 7. Okay, question number 7. Write the principle of method of mixers and derive an expression for it. This is question. Okay, principle of method of mixers. When two or more bodies at different temperatures are brought into thermal contact, the net heat lost by the hot bodies is equal to the net heat gained by the cold bodies until they attain thermal equilibrium. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See this definition. Principle of method of mixers. When two or more bodies at different temperatures are brought into thermal contact and the net heat lost by the hot bodies is equal to the net heat gained by the cold bodies until they attain thermal equilibrium. This is definition. For example, two bodies. This is first body. This is second body. First body, hotter body. Hotter body. Second body, colder body. Okay, first body, hotter body. Second body, colder body. Okay, now this one thermal contact. Thermal contact. Thermal contact. Okay, this hotter body lost by the hot body. Okay, for example, hotter body 10 degrees Celsius decreases. 10 degrees Celsius decreases. Now the net heat gained by the cold body, okay, 10 degrees Celsius increases. Okay, hotter body 10 degrees Celsius and colder body 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 degrees Celsius is called principle of method of mixers. Okay, hotter body 10 degrees Celsius and colder body 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Net heat lost is equal to net heat gain. This is example. After the amount of heat lost by the hotter sample, capital Q1 is M1 into S into T1 minus T. M means mass, S means specific heat, T means temperature. Okay, now the amount of heat gained by the colder sample, Q2 is M2 into S into capital T minus T2. Okay, heat lost by the hotter body sample is equal to the heat gained by the colder body sample. Okay, heat lost by the hotter sample Q1 is equal to the heat gained by the colder sample. Okay, Q2. Q1 is a M1 into S into T1 minus T. Okay, Q2 is a M2 into S into T minus T2. Okay, after which can be written as Q1 is a M1 S into T1 minus T. Okay, is equal to M2 into S into capital T minus T2. Okay, after that S cancel. S cancel. Now write M1 into T1, M1 T1, M1 into T1, M1 T1. Okay, minus there, right, minus M1 into T, M1 T. Okay, is equal to M2 into T, right, M2 T, minus there, right, minus M2 into T2, M2 T2. After write M1 into T1, okay, minus M2 T2. This side is there, okay, right, plus, okay, minus M2 T2 is there. This side is coming plus M2 T2 is equal to, okay, M2 T, okay, minus M1 T is there. This side is coming plus M1 T, M1 T. Now M1 T1 plus M2 T2 is equal to T is there, okay, write T into M2 plus M1, M2 plus M1, okay, T into M2, M2 into T, okay, T into M1, M1 into T. Okay, after that subject of T is equal to M1 into T1 plus M2 into T2 by write M1 plus M2, M1 plus M2. Okay, this is derivation. T is equal to M1 into T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. This is derivation completed. Okay, after principal method of mixers problems, first problem, now heat the water in the beaker to 90 degrees Celsius and the other to 60 degrees Celsius. Mix the water from those beakers in a larger beaker. Okay, first beaker with water 90 degrees Celsius and second beaker water 60 degrees Celsius. Mix the water from those beakers in larger beaker. This is question. Okay, write the answer and solution. First one, write given data. Given data. Okay, T1 temperature. Okay, the water in beaker to 90 degrees Celsius. first beaker. Okay, first beaker with water 90 degrees Celsius. Temperature T1 is equal to 90 degree Celsius. Now other beaker temperature T2 is equal to 60 degree Celsius. Okay, mass M1 is equal to M2 is equal to M. M1 is equal to M2 is equal to M. Okay, this is a dose beaker in larger beakers. Mix the water. Total temperature capital T is equal to quotient. Okay, what is the formula? Principle of method of mixers. Okay, write the formula. Capital T is equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Okay, now capital T is equal to M1 what? Right, M. T1 what? 90 degree Celsius. Right, 90 degrees. Plus M2 what? M. Right, M. T2 what? 60 degree Celsius. Right, 60 degree Celsius. By, okay, M1 plus M2. M1 what? Right, M. Plus M2 what? Right, M. Okay, T is equal to, okay, M is there, okay, M common, M into 90 plus 60 by, okay, M plus M 2M, M plus M 2M. Okay, after that T is equal to, okay, M cancel, okay, 90 plus 60, how much? 90 plus 60, 150 by 2, 150 by 2. Okay, T is equal to, okay, 275 ja 150, 275 ja 150. Okay, T is equal to 75 degree Celsius. Okay, temperature is equal to 75 degree Celsius. Okay, mix the water. Temperature is equal to 75 degree Celsius. This is answer. Okay, second problem. Now take 100 ml of water at 90 degree Celsius and 200 ml of water at 60 degree Celsius and mix the two. Okay, 100 ml of water and 200 ml of water, mix them. Okay, total how much temperature? This is second problem. Write given data. Temperature T1 is equal to 90 degree Celsius, right, 90 degree Celsius, and T2 temperature 2, 60 degree Celsius, and mass M1 is equal to, first beaker, how much water? 100 ml of water, right, 100 ml. Next after that M2 is equal to, second beaker, how much water? 200 ml, right, 200 ml. Okay, question, capital T is equal to write the formula, principal method of mixture formula. Capital T is equal to M1 into T1 plus M2 into T2 by M1 plus M2. This is formula. Okay, after that capital T is equal to M1, how much value? 100, right? 100. Okay, next to T1 value how much? 90, right? 90 into 90 degree Celsius plus M2 how much value? 200, right? 200 into T2 how much? 60 degree Celsius, right? 60 degree Celsius by, okay, M1 value how much? 100, right? 100 plus M2 value how much? 200. Okay, after that capital T is equal to 100 into 90, 9000, right? 9000 plus, okay, 200 into 60, 12,000 by 100 plus 200 how much? 300. Okay, T is equal to 9000 plus 12,000 by 300. Okay, capital T is equal to 9,000 plus 12,000 how much? 21,000 by 300. Okay, after that 2 zeros cancel, last 2 zeros. Okay, 370 ja 210, 370 ja 210. Okay, after that value capital T is equal to 70 degrees Celsius, 70 degree Celsius. Okay, this is answer.